How to get the parent dir location. This code is get the template /blog1/page.html and b.py. But I want to get the parent dir location. And how to get the apparent location. Thanks. Updated. This is right. Or
you can apply dir name repeatedly to climb higher, dir name file. This can only go as far as the root package, however. If this is a problem, use os.path.abspath, dir name abspath file.
Use relative path with the pathlib module in Python 3.4+. You can use multiple calls to parent to go further in the path. As an alternative to specifying parent twice, you can use
os.path.abspath doesn't validate anything, so if we're already appending strings to _file_, there's no need to bother with dir name or joining or any of that. Just treat _file_ as a directory and start climbing. That's far less convoluted than os.path.abspath, os.path.join, os.path.dir_file_, ... and about as manageable as dir name _file_. Climbing more than 2 levels starts to get ridiculous. But, since we know how many levels to climb, we could clean this up with a simple little function.
Should give you the path to A. But if b.py is the file that is currently executed, then you can achieve the same by just doing
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.